Today I'm going to show you how to delete labs in Cisco CML. Okay, so I got CML opened. So let me just log in. Admin, password, login. So here in the dashboard, I got 3 labs. And let's say I want to delete this lab, CML basic lab. So we can see that it's actually turned on. So the process is you stop the lab, you wipe the lab, and you delete the lab. So you cannot delete or wipe a lab when it's running. So let me go ahead and click on this lab here, and we can see that it's running. So we see that the devices are up and running. Let me actually just make the devices bigger. So again, we need to stop the lab first. And we can do that by clicking this lab button here and stop lab. And we can also go back and click this stop button here. Let me actually go ahead and click the stop button here. Okay, it is now stopped. And if I click on it, I see that the devices are stopped. And we can verify that by clicking the nodes button and looking at this panel here. So state are stopped for both devices. Okay. Now, since the lab is not running, we can actually go ahead and wipe the lab. And we can do that by going to lab button and wipe lab. And we can also do that by going to the dashboard or clicking this part here. And we can click this here, the eraser icon. So let me go ahead and click the eraser icon. So it says, are you sure you want to wipe the lab labeled CML basic lab? This will remove all virtual machines associated with the nodes in the lab, including their disk drives, network MAC addresses, hardware IDs, etc. So I'm gonna click OK. And now we see that the delete button is now enabled or not grayed out anymore. Before it was grayed out. So now we can actually go ahead and delete the lab. So I'm gonna click on the delete icon, and it says, are you sure you want to delete CML basic lab? I'm gonna say OK. Now it's gone. And there's actually an option where you can delete multiple labs. So you can actually click this show list here, and from there you can delete the labs. So again, the process is stop, wipe, and delete the labs. Okay, so that's how you can delete labs in Cisco CML. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.